That is some rich foam from the RipClean foam cannon. This is the RipClean foam cannon, and it's going to attach to our nozzle right here for the pressure washer. We have a pressure washer right there, which I love using to wash my vehicle. But this foam cannon is an upgraded foam cannon that is better at spreading out the foam. So you can see we have some foam on the truck, but I wanted to see how much better this one is. So this is what's included right here. So this is the unit. Let me go ahead and open that up and put it right here. Hopefully it won't slide down. So what you got inside right here is your, oh no, trunk is opening. Well, you know what, that's perfect. So we'll open it and we'll work in here. So in here you have your new bottle right there. You have a little straw. So how does this all come together? Super easy. Let me show you how everything works out. So this is a bigger container than the one that came with my original pressure washer. This is why I like it. And it's a very cool shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's hexagonal. I love it. Just like the rest of the details on my truck. And then here is the rest of the foam cannon sprayer. So it comes with a nozzle, and the nozzle has what's called the foamer. It's a very important part of the whole unit. The foamer is inside here, and it's what creates the beautiful foam. Of course, with these pressure washer sprayer, you have your concentration dial right here. You can turn this to control the amount of soap and water concentration, and this right here controls the spread of your foam. And then you have the straw that you'll attach, and it's nice straw because it is weighted. That means it's going to be at the bottom. It's going to pick up the soap even to the very last bit at the bottom, and then you just go ahead and close this right here. So what you do is you put your foam soap in here, and the cool thing is you don't even need to get foaming soap. You can just put regular soap. But that is the quick unboxing. Very simple setup, right? So we're gonna put some soap in here, and we're gonna turn it on and show you how nicely this foams out in just one moment. We're gonna use the snow foam from actual RipClean, and this is the Blizzard. This one smells like blueberry. It's really good. So what you use is about 4 ounces for every 28 ounce. But you know what? I like to be a little generous with the soap because that way you get better foam and better cleaning action, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna pour some in and just gonna eyeball this. My trunk's gonna open. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna pour some of this in here, and there we go. This is the blueberry stuff, so I'm gonna pour some in there, just like that. Okay, and then we'll close this out right here. The trunk keeps opening. It's crazy. It's got a mind of its own. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close this right here. We're gonna close our trunk like so. And here's a little trick I have with the pressure washer. So normally you wanna mix this with some water, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some water from my pressure washer. But first, I'm gonna turn off the power. The reason for that is because I want low pressure. I want garden hose pressure. And I wanna remove my nozzle here. And then now when I spray it, it's very low pressure, so I can fill up my foam sprayer reservoir right here. Oh, I can smell it. I love that blueberry smell of the Blizzard snow foam from RipClean. And this thing's gonna open. It's gonna open. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna pour it up right here, fill it up. So this is the RipClean foam cannon, and then we also have the RipClean soap too. So there we go, it's filled up to the brim right there. And now I can close this. And I do like that this has a big mouth, really big mouth. So it makes it easier to load up, but there we go. We're gonna load this up, here we go. Almost there, and nice and smooth. RipClean. Oh, I noticed that it says RC right here. RipClean, sweet. All right, so then to attach this to the foam cannon, super easy. Just snap this back in, and then it interlocks into my foam cannon just like this. Now let's test out the RipClean snow foam. Oh, nice. Oh, you can turn this. Oh, wow, look at the amount of foam. Oh, it's just gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, that is some rich foam. Oh my gosh, look, even up to the top of the truck right there, and over here, that is some rich foam from the RipClean foam cannon right here. This thing is awesome. This thing makes beautiful foam right here. Oh yeah.